The day after, 30 devotees have died and 60 others sustained severe injuries in the pre-dawn stampede at the Sangam area of the Mahakumbh in Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj. The state government has amplified, in fact, the changes in the administration and introduced strict measures to prevent the further accidents. The administration has implemented 5 key changes, including declaring the entire fair area a no-vehicle zone. The tragedy occurred as millions of pilgrims attempted to reach the waters for a sacred dip on the Mauni Amavasya, one of the most auspicious days of the Kumbh Mela. According to the Deputy Inspector General of the Mahakumbh, Vaibhav Krishna, the stampede was triggered by pilgrims pushing against the barricades in an attempt to reach the holy waters. The 5 key changes include: first up, entry of all types of vehicles is strictly prohibited in that zone of the Mahakumbh fair area. Second, no special passes will allow vehicle entry. Third, eliminating any exceptions, a one-way traffic system has been enforced to streamline the movement of devotees. Fourth, vehicles arriving from the neighboring districts of Prayagraj are being stopped at the district borders to reduce congestion. Entry of four-wheelers into the city is completely banned until this date to maintain order. Now, these are the very crucial 5 changes which now the devotees are looking forward to after severe problems and difficulties were witnessed by the devotees and the gathered crowd on the ground after the guidelines were not put in place. Now, the demand for the early hearing on the petition filed regarding the stampede case in Prayagraj Kumbh Mela area was raised before the bench headed by CJI Justice Sanjeev Khanna. My colleague Arzu is there with me on the broadcast. Arzu, there has been the latest breaking that we are tracking, this demand for the early hearing on the petition that has been filed regarding the stampede case in Prayagraj Kumbh Mela was raised before the bench headed by the CJI Justice Sanjeev Khanna. The matter has reached the court and early hearing has been demanded. What is that you are picking up?
Well, yes, the demand for the early hearing in the Supreme Court regarding this stampede case that happened in the Mahakumbh during the Mauni Amavasya. Also, the PIL has been filed before the Supreme Court in the wake of the recent incident, the stampede at the Mahakumbh in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj. Seeking directions to put in place safety measures and also guidelines for the pilgrims from across the country. And not this, but also at least 30 people have died during the chaos that happened when the lakhs of devotees get to take a holy Mauni Amavasya. Along with this, nearly 60 people have been injured and have been taken to the hospitals. Some of them are still in the hospital. They are getting treatment, and in fact the government has announced free of cost treatment in private or the government hospitals for the pilgrims who got injury during this time. To all the states, to their facilitation center at Prayagraj to provide the basic information regarding the safety measures and the guidelines to the pilgrims. Also, the PIL have also prayed for arrangements to have announcements, display board showing the directions, routes, etc. in other languages, so that the people coming from different states could understand the directions which are written in the different languages. So these all are the demands that is there in the PIL, and the appeal for the early hearing is also being made. And also, as we talked about the changes, there are a lot of changes now being seen here in the Mahakumbh Mela area. There is no VIP culture, as you can also see. The vehicles are still standing here. This is the vehicle of Advocate High Court, whether it's a police vehicle, you can also see the police vehicle. No vehicle is allowed to enter the Mela area. and now the four wheelers are strictly prohibited, and also any vehicle will not be allowed to enter. All type of vehicle are now strictly prohibited from entering the Mahakumbh Mela fair ground. And as you can see, a massive crowd can clearly be seen outside also. Those who are coming from different states to be the part of the Mahakumbh, and now there is a cancellation of the VIP passes. No special passes will be allowed for the vehicle entering, ensuring that there is no exceptions. And also one-way traffic system has been implemented to help the manage the movement of the devotees more effectively. Continuously, the announcement is being made to move from here because there is still massive crowd inside at the Triveni Sangam, and that's why the diversion of the crowd is being made so that the public can be diverted to different ghats, and they are being told to take another way to come inside the Mahakumbh Mela area. So these are the changes that we can clearly see on ground. And now strictly the police personnel are telling the devotees also that they should be aware. And also the appeal was made by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh to please listen to the administration, the police officials who are working for devotees on ground, and to understand
their directions, to understand their restriction that they are implementing for the safety and the security of the pilgrims only. Yes, Simran.
Well, Arzu, all right. In fact, at the stampede-like situation that has happened in Prayagraj, at this point of time, what is the latest that you are also gathering from the authorities? Given at the same time that the matter has reached Supreme Court, there have been requests for the early hearing. At this point of time, how is the usual rush hour functioning? To give us a glimpse of the changes and the impact of that change which can be seen on the ground.
Well, impact can clearly be seen. I would like to show you the another side of the road, and you can clearly see the path looks very clear because there is no vehicle allowed to enter, and that's why you can see a clear path. And in fact, no vehicle is in fact allowed. And we will be trying to talk to some of the devotees also, those who are trying their vehicle to come inside. But yes, devotees are not allowed to park their vehicle and to bring their vehicle in the मेला एरिया. आप लोग बात किस करना चाहेंगे? कहाँ से आए?
हम नेपाल से हैं.
नेपाल से आए हैं. तो गाड़ी से आए?
हम लोग ट्रेन से आए थे. ट्रेन से गोरखपुर से प्रयाग बस पकड़े, और बस पकड़कर रास्ते में बस बहुत पुलिस ने नहीं आने दिया, रोका, और जैसे तैसे फिर स्टेशन आए. स्टेशन से ट्रेन पकड़कर हम लोग प्रयागराज कल आ पुगे हैं यहाँ पे. जी
एंटर कर रहे मेला एरिया में घूम के आ रहे हैं.
हम कल एंट्री कर घूम लिए हैं. फिर आज जो संगम नदी है वहाँ पे कल नहीं जा पाए, प्रशासन लोग रोक दिया हम लोगों को. तब आज हम लोग इस रास्ते से जाने के प्रयास कर रहे हैं, वहाँ तक पुगने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
कल जिस तरीके से जो हालात हो गए थे, स्टैम्पेड की सिचुएशन हो गई थी, वहाँ पे भगदड़ मच गई थी, तो उसके बाद से लगातार देखिए किस तरीके से यहाँ पे रिस्ट्रिक्शन और ज्यादा बढ़ा दिए हैं. सुविधा लोगों की सुविधा के लिए चीज की जा रही है.
अब कल तो 2 बजे के बाद रात को भगदड़ हुआ, उस वक्त हम लोग रास्ते में थे, और प्रशासन से हम यही कहेंगे कि वो सुरक्षा में थोड़ा जुटे. जो पब्लिक दबा रही है, परेशान हो रहे हैं, उसमें यहाँ का स्थानीय सरकार और प्रशासन लोग उस समाधान के दौर से लेकर जाए. और भीड़ को कहीं ना कहीं कंट्रोल से करना पड़ता है. भीड़ को कंट्रोल करना भी मुश्किल पड़ता है. उस हिसाब से सबको थोड़ा अपने संयमता भी अपना कर अब स्नान करे या घूम फिर करे, स्वयं अपना खुद ही अपनाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि भीड़ को कंट्रोल करना बहुत बड़ी बात हो जाती है. उस हिसाब से स्वयं अपना ही वो समय अपनाकर जी वो करना पड़ेगा. जैसा
some of the devotees understand that people need to understand their responsibility, those who are coming here, because it's a massive task to deal with the crowd, the massive crowd. We can say, if we compare, some countries have this population, the people who are coming in a single day at the Mahakumbh, so that's why it's a bigger task for the authorities also. Sir, how did you see the arrangement, और कैसा लग रहा है आके? नेपाल से आए आप?
जी, हम नेपाल से हैं. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लगा है. अब भीड़ ज़्यादा है मैम, इससे थोड़ा बहुत दिक्कत हो गया. प्रशासन भी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, तब भी भीड़ ज़्यादा होने से थोड़ा तकलीफ है. अब धाम में आए हैं, बाबा के आए, थोड़ा कष्ट सहना पड़ेगा, इसलिए हम
देख रहे हैं वैसे यहाँ पे भी बहुत भीड़ रहती थी, लेकिन अब डाइवर्ट जो है वो किया जा रहा है, ताकि लगातार ये अपील भी की जा रही है कि आप लोग एक ही जगह पे मत जाएं। संगम में और भी घाट बने हुए हैं, आप उन पे डाइवर्ट हो जाए। किस तरीके से आप देख रहे हैं जो कोशिश की जा रही है?
नहीं, ऐसा होता है ना, अब डाइवर्ट होने से भी थोड़ा बहुत आदमी को क्या है ना, एक सही मार्ग बोलना चाहिए। जैसे आपको बोल दिए यहाँ से जाइए, मतलब संगम यहाँ पर है, कोई बोल रहे संगम वहाँ पर है, इसलिए आदमी लोग, हम तो बाहर से हैं ना, कोई रास्ता मालूम नहीं है, तो तकलीफ हो रहा है क्या, किधर से जाएं? सिस्टम जो बना है तब भी सही मार्ग कोई बोल देगा जैसे जाने के लिए, उस हिसाब से अच्छा रहेगा। और भीड़ तो है, क्या करेंगे, भीड़ ज़्यादा है, मतलब कंट्रोल आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल तभी होगा, वैसा है।
Absolutely. So that's a right point, because somewhere the routes have been diverted, the crowd has been diverted. Not there is several paths that is being made, several ghats that is being the arrangement at the several ghats have been made. So the police administration, the officials are saying that the devotees need to go to the other ghats also to take a holy dip.
All
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.